See how that makes your nose look so like... Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Kendah Lenee and I'm very excited to have you. I am feeling like doing some celebrity makeup inspiration, and so today's video, as you can tell by the title, is going to be a Rihanna makeup tutorial. So if you're interested, please keep on watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and hit that subscribe button, and then also hit that notification bell so that you know every single time I upload, which will be regularly on Saturdays moving forward. So let's get into the video. Okay, so the look that I'm going for is this look right here by Rihanna. So she's got the dark hair, she's got a leopard print dress on, or cheetah print, and the makeup look, she has very light but sculpted brows, a nice smoky brown gold eyelet going on, and it looks like some berry lip liner or like a burgundy kind of lip liner. So that's what we're gonna do. And so since I normally don't really focus too much on my brows, I decided just to shape them up just a little bit off camera so that we can jump right into the eye look. So I decided to grab my Soft Glam palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. I think the colors really match what Rihanna has going on her eyes. So this is the palette we're gonna use today. So to start, I'm gonna take this really nice fluffy eye blender brush from e.l.f. and I'm going to go into, let's go into burnt orange. I'm gonna go into burnt orange and put that all over the lid. And we want to make sure that it looks really blown out, so I'm doing lots of circular motions with this really fluffy brush. So I'm just going to put that brush to the side just in case I need to blend out anything else. And then I'm going to take this regular blending brush from e.l.f. And I think we're going to go into sienna, which is this pretty warm brown color. And we're going to concentrate that. Now, Rihanna has... where's my picture? Rihanna has like this kind of like halo look going on. So what I'm going to do is put it all over and leave the center of my eyelid blank. And then probably put like a darker color on the outside to make that space stand out a little bit. So we're gonna take sienna and put it right under burnt orange. And then I'm just gonna take the previous blending brush with a little bit of burnt orange on it, just to blend that out. Okay, so this is where we're at so far. Then I'm going to take one more brush. I just don't wanna mix all the colors together, which is why I'm taking so many different brushes. I'm going to take another e.l.f. blending brush, and I'm going to go into Cypress Umber, which is this dark brown color. And I'm going to focus that on the inner and outer corners of my eye. And I'm going to take all the other brushes and all the other colors just to blend these things out. I don't want any harsh lines. Okay, so I'm going to put Cypress Umber to the side for a second. This way we can go into our gold and then fill it in after. So I'm going to take my finger because I feel like that's going to be the best way to put this on. And I'm gonna go into the color bronze. And then I'm just gonna dab it onto the center of my eye. Okay, so let's jump over into the face, and then we're gonna finish the eye later. But I am going to take my Too Faced Born This Way foundation in the color Caramel, and I'm just gonna put some of that right on the back of my hand. Okay, so Rihanna's face, she has a pretty bright highlight So that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna take my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Medium Beige. And then I'm just gonna let this sit for a little bit. I want it to dry down, a good Jackie Aina tip. Let it dry down a little bit so that it can get tacky, and so that when you blend it out, it still has all the coverage that you want, but you can still blend it out. So I gotta get like a little fan like how Jackie has. Okay, so now that this is dried down a little tiny bit, because I'm gonna let it sit for a little bit longer, I'm gonna take my Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the color Sand, and I'm gonna hit right underneath my under eye. This color is about the same, it's kind of the same as the medium Sand, but just like a tad bit lighter, and so I want to concentrate that right here. It's just a little bit thicker than the LA Girl Pro Concealer. Okay, so now that it's dried down just a little bit, I'm going to take my Juno & Co sponge, and I'm gonna blend out the places that I didn't put the Born This Way concealer first, so I can let that dry down still a little bit while I'm blending. Now I'm gonna go underneath. So I'm gonna take a little bit of this Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the color 360 Mocha, just dabbing a little bit with my Real Techniques contour brush, and I'm going to buff that in just a little bit. I don't want my face to be too heavy, and so I'm using a foundation instead of a concealer. And then to sharpen that contour up, because Riri has pretty defined contour, I'm going to take just a little bit more of that LA Girl Pro Concealer right underneath the contour. Okay, so do you see how that is going to make the contrast underneath the contour? So while that's sitting for a second, I'm not going to bake. I'm just going to take my Tarte Smooth Operator face powder in the color Light. Yeah?
I'm sorry, I know you were filming.
It's okay.
You're probably hungry.
Yeah, okay. My husband finna feed me, y'all. I feel like this tutorial is a lot of products today. But which is funny because I usually use the same products over and over again, but I have a whole like dresser of makeup products. So I'm gonna take the Fenty Beauty MatchStix, and this is in the color Mocha. Everything is in the color Mocha, I guess. And I'm just gonna contour my nose starting at like my brow. So you see how that kind of cinched in my nose a little bit. And then I'm just gonna draw a line straight down and across the bottom. And I'm gonna take this crown brush, the C457 brush, and I'm just gonna tap that in. I don't want it to move, I just want it not to be so hard. And then I am going to take just a little bit of Bamboo in the same MatchStix from Fenty Beauty. So it's like a highlight color. I'm gonna put a dot right here, a little bit right here, just like that. You'll see how that makes your nose look so like... And then just for my cheekbones, I'm going to go into my e.l.f. contour palette, and I'm just gonna take this color over here to do a little contouring. Why not use Fenty Beauty's, which one I'm gonna use? Hustler Baby. Just a little bit on the nose, nothing crazy. Let me do my lashes really quick, I'm gonna pop on these Dollar Lash Club Kylie lashes and use my Too Faced mascara. And we're also gonna do our lip at the same time. This is usually how I finish. This is usually how I finish my makeup looks. I start doing everything at the same time. So I'm just gonna put these lashes on, and I think for lip, because she has like that maroon kind of lip, I think for lip we're gonna use Rooch from Colourpop, who's the collab with Rooch. She doesn't look like she has anything other than lip liner on. So here's where we start multitasking. While my lash is drying, I'm gonna take Rooch and start lining my lips. Yeah, maybe it's just because my lips are big. But that's what she has. Maybe I'll add like a little lipstick on the inside. This looks so weird to me. I don't know if I like this lip. Rihanna. Do I look like Rihanna? I just threw on literally the only animal print that I own. I think it's cute. What do you guys think? Okay, so that's it for today's video. Again, thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know how you think I did down in the comments below. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.